Taas-taas na po yung tower namin. Observe ko na mas malaki yung patience natin kahapon. Pag napapagod, hindi sumusuko agad.
Ilang sandali pa, si Edward lumapit na kay Kuya.
What's running in your mind right now?
I'm beginning to regret, and I shouldn't regret because it's my decision, but maybe it wasn't the right decision. The right thing to do was take your hand off the flag. Not go for the flag in the first place. And it wasn't something that the Edward that came in here would have done. I'm thinking I should have not gone for the flag.
Pagbalik sa activity area, si Edward patuloy na inaalala ang girls.
Anong gagawin natin sa ninja? Sabihin natin sa ninja, spread love, world peace.
My mom always says, Edward, if you can take the burden off a girl, do it. Be a gentleman. That's how I raised you. And it's like I forgot everything. Yeah, I felt selfish. You guys alright? Cases, you good? Guys are doing good.
Gusto mo maligo?
Ayaw ko. Pag nagtagumpay na tayo.
Habang minamadali ng girls ang kanilang tower, muling bumalik si Edward kay Kuya.
Do I get a chance to change my decision, Kuya?
It's up to you, Edward.
Really? So I can put that flag back into its pole?
If you decide to let go of your flag, you can put it back.
Ang ganda ng shirt.
I'm allowed to help again.
Huh?
I'm allowed to help again. I had a chance to change, and I'm changing.
Why?
Nah, I feel better about this now.
Sinauli po ni Edward yung flag para matulungan po kami.
When I took that flag, I was like, it makes you realize what you want more. Do you rather want family, or you want your dreams? What's the point of having the dreams if you don't have your family? This is what I think is better. Kirsten, you talked to me yesterday about stay true to yourself. Yeah? The Edward that came in wouldn't take that flag. So yeah, let's figure out a way to protect yourself.
Isa siya sa malapit na sa puso ko. Parang kapatid ko na talaga. Sobrang na-appreciate ko ang desisyon niya. At lahat ng mga sinabi niya, Kuya, yung na-realize niya lahat.
Ngayong muli na nilang kasama sa pagbuo si Edward. Magtagumpay nga kaya sila sa kanilang ikapito at huling Lucky Tap. Abangan bukas.
Isang panibagong hamon ang kailangan niyong harapin. Bibigyan ko lamang kayo ng huling 3 oras. Kinakailangan makapasok kayong 4 sa loob ng Domino Tower. 1 at a time.
At sino naman sa mga nominado ang tuluyan ng lalabas ng bahay ni Kuya? Pagkatutukan dito lang sa Pinoy